What's up everybody, welcome on to cilinixfxcapital, into this video in which we will do a price analysis and a price prediction, but more of a price analysis actually in this video on the Strong token, or I guess we could better say Strongblock. It's been a while since I did an analysis on this. Wait, it's only Strong on CoinMarketCap. But yeah, it's been a while since I did an analysis on this, but I know there's a lot of node operators, I think you should say, using Strongblock, and it's quite interesting to them what the price is doing. So this is just my opinion and my 2 cents about what's happening right now and what could happen in the future. Of course, today was relatively bullish. I mean, it's up against the market. It's up 13.3%. Volume is down a little bit actually, but it's still 30% of the market cap, which is, in my opinion, still relatively low. It's a strong platform. To be honest, I haven't done too much research on it, but I do know what it is and how it's supposed to work. I'm not necessarily sure how technically that works, but still, let's get right into it. So what we are doing in the last few weeks is not too great. I mean, we've fallen all the way since the beginning, or since the beginning of February. We dropped all the way from 500 to 180 right now. And I cannot guarantee that it won't stop falling any further. I mean, in the end, this is my analysis, but I could be wrong. What we have did, because I mean, it could be wrong that we drop further, because I do think we have dropped down now to this level at around 150, which is obviously a psychological support level. Together with that, there's an actual key level there as well. So I do think that will hold, although I'm not too sure if we're actually going to enter an uptrend just yet. The main thing we would need to do, in my opinion, is, well, break 215, and that's going to be quite tough, because as you can see, we have already found resistance at this point right here, which is obviously the $200 level, which is also a psychological resistance or key level. And arguably even stronger. So it's going to be tough to break that, and I would consider 215 to be the actual area to break. I mean, as soon as we do that, so that could happen like in the next week, but it could also happen in like a month, 2 months. It's still valid. That's the main thing we need to do. If we do that, we can easily get up to 240, take a break retest, and I would even think we would reach 280 and 300 quite soon if we do manage to break that. But obviously that would probably be paired with bullish fundamentals as well. So then it's not only because of the breakout, it's also probably because of the reason why it broke out of it in the first place. So that's the main thing we're looking for. But as of right now, I think it is more likely that we actually consolidate between $200 and 150, but ultimately 215 and 150. As I said, I do think we are going to hold 150 for now, for the next like week and a half, 2 weeks, something like that. But if it takes too long, so if we consolidate too long between 200 and 150, and we get one bearish, fundamental move or something, so bad news throughout the world, further escalation in Ukraine, for example, then I think we're just going to drop down. So unless something bad happens, as I said, I do think with these current market circumstances we'll hold 150. But if something, some bearish fundamentals come into play, I think we're dropping down to this level. So that would be between 110 and 120. And I do think that will hold. We could get up to 150 again, but to be honest, I'll probably do an update on it then as well, because if that happens, it really depends on what exactly happened, and based on that, I can make a better prediction on what I would think would be the next step or the next move from there. So yeah, that's basically my analysis on a Strong or Strongblock. If you do have any questions about anything I said in this video or about the analysis in general, please let me know down in the comments, and I'll make sure to respond to that as soon as possible. As for now though, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.